Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for fraud detection. This tool can help you identify and prevent fraudulent activities by analyzing patterns and anomalies in your data. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by following these simple steps. First of all, sign up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select this settings icon and then select API section, which is on the top right corner. Now select docs and then select this get started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. After that, this key will give you access to Perplexity AI's fraud detection features. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your fraud detection system by configuring it to handle transaction data and perform analysis. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now collect and prepare your data, including transaction details, user behavior, and historical fraud cases. This data will be used to train and test your fraud detection models. Now use the Perplexity AI API to analyze the data for signs of fraudulent activity. The API can help detect anomalies, patterns, and potential fraudsters and implement the necessary code to integrate these insights into your fraud detection processes. Now review the results of the fraud detection analysis and take appropriate actions to prevent or address any identified fraud. Adjust your models and methods based on the findings. Now monitor the performance of your fraud detection system and continuously improve it by incorporating feedback and updating your models as needed. Deploy your fraud detection solution into your production environment, ensuring it effectively identifies and mitigates fraudulent activities. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to enhance your fraud detection efforts, making your systems more secure and reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.